Okay, let's talk about NVIDIA earnings.
Oh,
They were
have they come
released.
out?
Yep, they were released.
All right.
What do you think they did? Do you think they beat or
Um,
miss?
well, I'm going to say beat on both. I'll let you share your screen
Yeah,
and
they did beat on both.
yeah.
Let me zoom in. So revenue they beat by 3.9%. EPS they beat by 4%. So revenue, the expectation was 54.8 billion, and it came in at 57 billion. And EPS, the expectation was $1.25, and it came in at $1.30. And in terms of
Okay.
aftermarket movement, they are up almost 2.5%, and they were up a little over 2.5% earlier today.
Very cool. What's the chart look like after hours?
Let's see.
To the one, yeah, 1 day.
Looks like it's going up.
So it might still be going up, and
Yeah,
it'll
I
be
don't know.
interesting to see. So their call is at 5 p.m. Eastern in about half an hour. So it'll be interesting to listen to their call as well, which obviously we'll do after this.
Yeah.
But yeah, so no surprise. I think NVIDIA has been setting setting expectations. And Jensen has been out there setting expectations that, like, look, there's a long runway of growth possible here in AI and for NVIDIA in particular. 50, what was it, 54 billion, or was 54 the expected? I
54
don't
was the
remember.
expectation, and it came in at 57.
57. It's incredible. Like, we're talking about, like, at almost 4% beat, which doesn't seem like much. Oh, only 4%, but that's an extra $3 billion of revenue,
Right, for a company at this
in one
scale.
quarter.
Yeah.
Yeah, that 3 billion run rate becomes like a $12 billion revenue run rate. Their
And
beat was
the other thing to
roughly
keep in mind, it's not just a 3% beat this quarter, it's that they're consistently beating expectations every quarter.
every quarter, right? But that 3 billion, just to put things in perspective, that 3 billion is about the same amount of, like, revenue that like, the run rate of 3 billion is roughly 12 billion, which is approximately what OpenAI is expected to have revenue all of this year. Like 13 billion, I think, is OpenAI's
But
expectations for the
how many Elon Pay packages is that?
you can get one 300th of an Elon for 3 billion. But putting that aside for a minute, the 3 billion. So the 57 billion top line, also pretty incredible. That puts it at a $220 billion run rate, roughly speaking, assuming no growth. Pretty incredible numbers. And that just goes to show that, like, the spend by these tech companies on AI and chips has not slowed down.
And just
Wow,
look
look
at
at that
this,
graph.
right? Like look at the like
That
you
graph looks like it's made up.
yeah, like
It's
this the
just
latest jump
insane.
is just insane. Yeah.
Is that partly because they turned China back on, or what happened there? Like, why is the jump
I
in the
don't know
latest
what the
quarter?
cause is. I don't know if
Because
it's
what was it last quarter? Go back to that graph. Let's go back to
last
that graph
quarter
real
it
quick.
was 46.7 billion.
So that's
So
11 billion
yeah,
more than their record quarter, previously record quarter. And again, 11 billion times four is like a $44 billion beat annually.
it's the biggest jump they've had in terms of like dollars, from what
That
I can
is
tell.
mind blowing. NVIDIA just it just cracks me up how big it is, and, like, it has become, like, in such a short period of time. When this whole run started, NVIDIA was smaller than Intel. It's just, think about that, like, from a revenue perspective. It's
Yeah,
just wow. Wow. Um,
it's insane.
yeah, well deserved. Congrats to Jensen, who is working for free relative to Elon. The Jensen pay package is coming, I'm sure. Um, yeah, what are your thoughts? Are other companies moving as a result of this one?
I'm not sure. I mean, Palo Alto Networks is still it's down
What about, like,
3.3%
Microsoft,
still.
Amazon, Google, Meta?
Let's see. Microsoft, I mean, they're up 0.26%. Meta up 11%. So no, not really.
Okay,
Yeah,
small
everything's
movements
pretty
on,
flat.
but everything is up but flat.
Yeah.
Ish. Yeah. Yeah. It's so the NVIDIA overall is like, okay, we're continuing. Have they provided guidance yet, or do we have the guidance yet?
I don't think we have the guidance yet.
Okay.
Yeah, no, not yet.
The guidance might be what sort of like sets off tomorrow more than anything else,
So I
but
will
yeah,
say, if I look at the last 4 quarters, the guidance has either been neutral or negative. The guidance is like rarely
positive.
positive. So
Wow, that growth is just unbelievable.
yeah. And the interesting thing with NVIDIA is like, it's moving as if it were a bubble, but it
Right.
has the growth to back it, which is I think a rarity typically with these type of price moves.
Yeah. No, I think like on a price, but especially when you take it forward 1 year, like price earnings and price sales ratio for NVIDIA for like the expected over the next 12 months is always like been like the price is cheap relative to that is and relative to the industry averages. So yeah, NVIDIA is one of those success stories that just is just mind blowingly good.